Guys, what's up? It's me, Sean from CheckDrives.com. YouTube Assistant Pete. Just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys today. This is the Apple Watch Series 3. So you guys can see here, it's a 38 millimeter. I've seen them as low as $179. They normally retail for $199 for the 38 and $229 for the 42, which is the larger size. So just depends on the size of the watch. The watch face itself, the bands, it comes with a small and a large in either box. So in this one, you know, it comes with either size. So you see, took off the shrink wrap already to make this a little quicker. Designed by Apple in California. So we're gonna take this off. You can see the watch here. It's going to be compatible with the latest watchOS that drops in late 2020. I believe it's watchOS either 7 or 4. With like sleep tracking is one of the major things. However, this is a little bit of an older watch. Still has the waterproofing. Still has a decent processor inside of it. Still has an OLED screen. The 4 and the 5 just give you the EKG, better heart rate detection, the fall detection. And the updated design with more screen to bezel ratio, because it's a little bit rounded on the side. I might end up getting a 4 or 5. However, I'm just trying out the 3 right now to see if it's something that I decide to keep. Also in here, you're going to receive some instructions as well as your charger and an extra band inside this box. So I already know what's in here. The charger is a magnetic charger, just clips to the back and it charges wirelessly. And then I'll show you guys the watch real quick, and this quick unboxing will be done. So you guys see the watch right here. I'll turn it on. If it has any juice, perfect. All right, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them off in the comments. If not, I'll talk to you guys in a later video. You guys have a nice one.